to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for July 7th, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, the sun rises at 5:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:28 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, the bright morning gibbous moon, 79% illuminated, is over 35 degrees above the southern horizon and 4.0 degrees to the lower left of Saturn. The moon moves eastward each morning compared to the starry background, and its phase is smaller. During this part of the lunation, the phase is said to be waning. When it reaches Jupiter on the 11th, the phase is 35% illuminated, a waning crescent. Saturn is retrograding in front of Aquarius dim stars. While retrograding, Saturn seems to reverse its normal eastward direction and heads west for a few months. This is an illusion as our planet overtakes Saturn and moves between the Sun and the planet on August 27th. This morning, the star Fomalhaut is nearly halfway from the horizon to Saturn. Farther eastward, bright Jupiter is about one-third of the way from the horizon to overhead. The Jovian giant is slowly moving eastward in front of Aries, 11.3 degrees to the lower right of Hammel, the constellation's brightest star. With Jupiter, look for the Pleiades star cluster, to the lower left, and Aldebaran, above the east-northeast horizon. Through a binocular at this hour, 4 of Jupiter's moons are visible. They can be seen through a binocular, if it is held steadily. Io is east of the planet, while Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto are lined up to the west. Through a telescope, the Great Red Spot is entering the view. It reaches the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere 6:05 a.m. CDT, after sunrise in Chicago. Sky watchers farther westward can see the centered spot in a darker sky. In the evening sky, Mercury scrambles toward fainter evening twilight, setting tonight 37 minutes after sundown. Brilliant Venus can be seen shortly after sunset in the western sky. At an hour after nightfall, when Mars and Regulus are visible, the evening star is about 10 degrees up in the west. Venus is in its interval of greatest brightness. It is a dazzling sight, but much lower than it was just a week ago at this time interval after sunset. The planet is setting earlier each night. It is quickly catching up to our planet on an inside orbital path. Venus passes between our world and the Sun on August 13th. This is known as inferior conjunction. In the sky, Venus is about to reverse its eastward motion in about 2 weeks. This evening it appears near Mars and Regulus. The red planet is 4.2 degrees to the upper left of Venus and 1.7 degrees to the lower right of Regulus. This gathering easily fits into a binocular's field of view. Mars, dimmer than Regulus, passes the star in 3 nights. Venus does not pass the star, but closes to 3.5 degrees on the 16th. The planet is angling away from Regulus. Earth's twin planet does not pass Regulus until October when they appear in the morning sky together. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.